Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into one of JavaScript's most powerful performance optimization techniques, Debounce. Ever had a search bar that fires a new request with every single keystroke? Or a resize event that constantly updates your UI? That's where Debounce comes in. It's crucial for improving responsiveness and preventing unnecessary resource consumption. At its core, Debounce works like a timer. When you trigger an event, it starts a countdown. If you trigger the event again before the countdown finishes, Debounce resets the timer. The function only executes once the timer successfully completes without being reset. Think of it as waiting for a pause in activity. This is achieved by storing a timer ID and using clear timeout to cancel previous calls, ensuring only the last invocation within a specified delay period actually fires. You'll use Debounce extensively when building interactive UIs. It's perfect for search inputs to prevent API calls on every keystroke, ensuring the search only runs after the user stops typing for a moment. It's also vital for handling window resize events or form validation to avoid overwhelming the browser with frequent computations. Let me walk you through the code. First, we declare timerF, a variable that will store the unique ID returned by setTimeout. This ID is essential for clear timeout to identify and cancel a specific timer, forming the basis of the Debounce mechanism. Then, here, performAction is our callback function, representing the actual task we want to execute. It takes an argument val and logs it to the console, demonstrating the debounced operation that will eventually run. Then, we call the global clearTimeout function, passing timerF as its argument. This immediately cancels any pending setTimeout execution associated with that timerF, effectively resetting the Debounce mechanism if it was previously scheduled. We then call the global setTimeout function. It takes an arrow function as the first argument, which calls performAction, done, and a 150 millisecond delay as the second. This schedules performAction to run after 150 milliseconds and stores its ID in timerF. Finally, this line indicates the eventual output. After the 150 millisecond delay, performAction finally executes, logging action done to the console, demonstrating the successful delayed execution of our debounced function. And that's Debounce in action. It's a fundamental concept for writing efficient and performant JavaScript. If you found this helpful, give us a like. And please, comment next topic. What other JavaScript concepts do you want us to break down next?